Skin print serums are formulated with a complex science that we've simplified for you. They're formulated with the principle of dose, depth, and delivery in mind. This means that the proper ingredients are delivered at the correct time in the correct place in your skin for the best results. I want to introduce to you the EYEdeal Repair Serum. It's an eye product formulated to reduce fine lines, puffiness, and darkness under the eye, and also give a little bit of hydration. It does this with a combination of Persian silk tree extract, 360 ceramide complex, and peptides. I also recommend that people use it at night because it is a little bit thicker, so it's nice for hydration underneath the eyes. And again, it's a little bit thicker, so during the day, it might be a little much under makeup. For underneath makeup, please take a look at EYEdeal. It's a lighter formula and better used for daytime application. The best way to apply an eye product is to apply a little bit to the finger, like this, and then moving from the inside to the outside of the eye, moving in small circles. What we're doing is draining the lymph system underneath the eye, and this helps to reduce the puffiness. So we do this about 2 to 3 times, and then after the 3rd time, you should feel a little bit of warmth under your finger. And what this means is we've activated the lymph system and we're draining it and reducing some of the puffiness under the eye, and we're also stimulating blood flow to get rid of the darkness. So as you can see, these ingredients and formulas are complex, but we've simplified them and formulated them into one product that's easy to use. We can't wait for you to experience the benefits of the skin print serums.